establishment is closed. In those cases, we have identified some specialized authorities who can sign this joint declaration. They are magistrate, a gazetted officer, post or sub postmaster, president of the village union, president of the village panchayat, chairman, secretary, member of the municipal district local board, member of the parliament or the MLA, member of municipalities, village patrol, village headman, notary public, member of central board of trustees, our governing body or regional committee, manager of the bank, where the bank account of the member is maintained, or any head of the recognized institutions, justice or Lekpal, Patwari, village munsif, or any office bearer of the registered trade union or any other authorized official as may be approved by the commissioner. So, itna people, authorized people are there. Any one of them can sign this joint declaration when the establishment is closed. Initially, what happened is in our member profile, we had the member name and member ka father name. And suppose a member is a female member, then what happens is after marriage, in the father name column itself, they update the spouse name. So what we have done is, because after marriage, the husband is a husband only, but he will not replace a father. Father is still a father only. So what we have done is, we have made a separate field. We have made for every member, father name separately, spouse name separately, and mother name also, because again there is a confusion. Why only a female member should give the name of the husband? Why a husband should not give the name of the wife? So we thought, I mean, it's like it's not very good, because it is not a gender equality. So we said, for every member there will be a father name, there will be a mother name, and also there will be a spouse name. So all the three field we are capturing. And suppose abhi field kali hai, that particular member profile mein, you will be, I request you to go and update that field. And one more point I want to tell also, we have also in a very big way, we brought this e-nomination. Now all the members can update their all the nominees through online. So I request all the members who are seeing and all the establishments, please ensure that all members are updating their e-nominees going into the member portal with all the Aadhaar data, so that any problems are there is no hassles or any issues for your family members in claiming the benefit. And that will be very much easy, because they can themselves file the claim without any going to the employer, and automatically this benefits will be settled in time. That is our request.
इसमें मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगी मैम
जी,
कैटेगरी ए में जो भी आते हैं वो फादर्स नेम अपडेशन और हस्बैंड नेम का अपडेशन खुद कर सकते हैं, एम्प्लॉय अपने लेवल पे कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए उन्हें एम्प्लॉयर या पीएफ ऑफिस की ज़रूरत नहीं है। लेकिन अगर वो कैटेगरी बी में आते हैं तो जॉइंट डिक्लेरेशन एम्प्लॉयर तक जाएगा, और एम्प्लॉयर फादर्स नेम और हस्बैंड नेम, दोनों हस्बैंड या वाइफ जो भी स्पाउस का नेम है उसको वो अपडेट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर वो कैटेगरी सी में आते हैं तो फर्दर वो जॉइंट डिक्लेरेशन पीएफ ऑफिस तक आएगा और पीएफ ऑफिस इसको फाइनल अप्रूवल देगा।